Engine failure during takeoff roll, according to the Cessna 172 Pilot Operating Handbook. Number 1. Throttle control to idle, pull fully out. Number 2. Apply maximum brakes. Number 3. Retract wing flaps. Number 4. Mixture control to idle cutoff, pull fully out. Number 5. Switch off both magnetos. Number 6. Turn off standby battery. Number 7. Masters, alt and battery both off. Made for educational purposes only and is to be used as a guide. For full instructions, please consult your flight instructor or your pilot operating handbook.